Data from LG's new low-end phones began to be leaked recently. Before they were LG K8 and LG K10. Both models now reach the market, although with another name. This is the LG K11 and K9 with the same specifications as the previous phones. But they are a good option for users with less budget. Specifications of the LG K9 promises to comply with the basics that users expect from the input range. A common size, a normal processor, simple cameras to take pictures in your day-to-day and a sufficient battery. Nothing special, but that meets what is expected from the low range. Although it surprises the fact that they arrive with Android 7.1 Nougat. Since yesterday we saw how the new Motorola phones arrived with Oreo. These are the specifications of the LG K9, display 5.0 inches with HD resolution, 1280x720/277 ppi, processor, 1.3 GHz with 4 cores RAM, 2 GB internal storage, 16 GB, expandable with microSD up to 32 GB, rear camera, 8 MP front camera, 5 MP battery, 2500 mAh removable operating system, Android 7.1 Nougat connectivity, Wi-Fi, 802.11b, G, N, Bluetooth 4.2, USB 2.0 Type-B. Others, FM radio specifications. Of the LG K11, it is an option that stands out for being something more complete. It has a larger screen, the same processor, a larger battery, and also better cameras. In addition, it has a fingerprint reader, which also reaches the low range little by little. So you see some progress. As for the operating system, it is the same as the previous one. These are the complete specifications of the LG K11, screen 5.3 inches with HD resolution, 1280x720/277 ppi, processor, 1.5 GHz with 8 cores RAM, 3 GB internal storage, 32 GB rear camera, 13 MP front camera, 8 MP battery, 3.0000 mAh non-removable operating system, Android 7.1.2 Nougat connectivity, Wi-Fi, 802.11b, G, N, Bluetooth 4.2, USB 2.0 Type-B, NFC. Others, FM radio, fingerprint reader. In general, a somewhat more complete device. Although it does not present too many surprises. Maybe the presence of NFC, which is something unusual in the entry range. In addition to the aforementioned fingerprint reader that continues to make a dent in the lower range of the market.